Mustang Sally now, baby. Yes, you better slow your Mustang down. You've been running all over the town now. Oh, I guess you'll have to put your flat feet on the ground.
Hey guys, that was Mustang Sally from the Trinity Guildhall Syllabus Rock and Pop 2018, Grade 1. And it's a great song. And I think it's actually a little bit easier than some of the previous songs we've done. There's a lot of bass drum, but once you get comfortable with the amount of bass drum that's in the bar, we're talking about the same bar played for the vast majority of this piece, and only the slightest of changes coming at the end. Okay, so the biggest challenges, the first one as I see it is the bass drum. So take it nice and slow as you're practicing. Don't try and practice with the backing track straight away. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just put that bar in loop. And I mean, it makes perfect sense to loop that bar because that's the majority of this piece. 1 and 2 and 3 and you might actually get a sore bass drum foot from doing this, and the little muscle at the front of your foot here, check out the sock game strong, that little muscle there is going to get sore. That's the muscle when your heel is down that you're going to be playing with predominantly. If you play heel up, it's actually your leg that's doing the most of the playing, this larger muscle up here. Don't ask me the names of the muscles, I don't know. But I know that when I play heel down, it's the back of my foot there that does the playing, and it's that little muscle there that's actually used to just hold the tiny amount of weight that's in your actual foot from dragging on the ground. So it doesn't get much of a workout in like everyday life, but it does when you're playing bass drum heel down. So you might get a little bit of an ache in that. The ache is good, that means you're getting stronger. That's what they told me at the gym. I don't know if they were telling the truth, but I believed them. So as you're playing this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that was heel up, or you can play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that was heel down. Now heel up, it's easier. You're using a bigger muscle, so it's easier to control, but you'll get tired. Heel down, it's a smaller little muscle, so a lot less energy is used, but the muscle itself will get sore because it's not strong, it's not working out. So long term, you want to be able to use both. Right now, trying it heel down because you have better fine motor skills with that small muscle. Practice heel down or heel up, it's up to you, but I would practice both. That bar is going to repeat itself. Like I've got 16, 17, 18 times until you get to bar 23. So that would be 22 times that it repeats then. I'm just counting the numbers that are written out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so on bar 5, 6, 7, and 8, it counts that as 1, 2, 3, 4 again because it rewrites the bar. So we're actually going to play this 21 times, and on the 22 times. On the 23rd bar, you hit a bass drum and snare 1 and rest on 2, 3, and 4. For the next bar, you rest on 1, 2, and you got 3, E, and 4. So that's the whole fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E, and 4. And then back to the bar we all know and love. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we just have 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1. And you can see that P up to F, that's piano, which is quiet, gradually getting louder, up to F, which is forte, meaning loud. Okay, so that starts quiet, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1. And that's the solid ending to that piece. It's a great piece. It's a great song outside of the syllabus. So once you've learned it in the syllabus, take these skills and go listen to the actual song by Wilson Pickett. Fantastic song. There's a band called The Commitments that do a version of it that's just fantastic. So have a listen to it. Let me know what you think. The Commitments is actually a movie. So go watch that and have fun with this. I'll see you guys in the next video.